anginayo inkinga noma bangamfanisa nomyeni wami uJonas, kodwa uJonas impilo yakhe yalapha ya neyamyeni wami kwi real life ihluke kakhulu. Manje ufuna ukwazi kani ubuza mina kunikazi. Yabona nani yabo. Ya.
Senizwele mina ngisathini ke. Ngizothina ke ngizokuzwa.
Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Webathandi bomgosi. Hi, Sham. You see, the polygamist has caused a serious commotion globally because everyone is talking about it. When I say everyone, but I mean everyone from the United States of America and other African countries. Globally, people are talking about the polygamist, and this is all because of uJonas. Where Jonas? And Mzansi was able to locate uJonas in real life, allegedly. Mzansi has now compared uMusa Mselegu to uJonas, saying that uJoyce is exactly the same as uMacele from Uthando Nesithembu, them Selegus. Sana. And on that video that we all watched, Macele was basically saying that she doesn't care if people are comparing her husband to uJonas, but what she knows is that her husband wakhe does not do the things that uJonas was doing there in real life. Really, we mama. It doesn't end there. Even Vuyokazi went into this conversation and recorded few videos addressing the whole Jonas situation. She was more concerned with the fact that uJonas infected all of her women with the STI, and she was like, Bantu, it is happening and it is real. And if you go back to Izingane's Nesithembu, it was alleged that Usibindi infected Otirelo. And Otirelo, she's allegedly on PrEP as well. Hayi kuningi, but and people are saying that the reason why uVuyokazi is interacting with this conversation is because she feels like Utirelo was uMathipa in their relationship. Please watch the following videos.
And the part where the wives find out that they're sick and Bakulise uJonas, that is very real. It happens in real life, so be careful. Sana Anas never wrong, but I didn't feel anything for Matipa. Like, I didn't feel sorry for her. Like, I didn't. Like, I don't know. Yeah, but I didn't feel anything for her. And it's Sana Ingaske leave Velendo Ivanga when it comes to, because Sana to say like destroying Pilo Yako just because of that. Like, I don't understand. You are Sana Jonas.
What do you think? Do you think Vuyokazi is just commenting like anyone else who is interacting with what is currently trending, or she's currently reliving her past traumas? Please do subscribe and don't forget to like, comment. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.